Noisy. Quiet. Right, got to go and do a little bit of work on the bike, but first, finish beer. Computer down. Take a tripod. Very windy out here. Shut the door. I've got a tabletop tripod, but I forgot to bring it. I'm not even sure if it'll work properly. Not even sure if this will record very well in the wind. This is kind of a test, I suppose. Hope I'm shooting 25p, because if I'm shooting at 150 frames a second, it's going to look pretty fucking stupid and there'll be no volume. But it looks like there's volume, so that's good. Out in the bush. I'm going to fix something on the bike. This is my bike. It's got a very noisy hub at the moment, so I'm going to fix the hub. Put the camera down. This is the problem with having a little tabletop tripod. Oh, that bastard. Right, now, pick the camera up. Ooh. This noisy. These DT Swiss hubs, they're a little bit strange, so I'm going to have a crack at it. Alright, put it on the tripod now. The problem with these DT Swiss bloody hubs, not only the noise, is that they've got these ridiculous skewers. These skewers, for the focus, they're not like normal, you know, spin around. They're like a ratchet one. Stupid. You best to get that on a higher one as you possibly can. And if you're good, you can keep all these together, and I'm not very good. So I'll try and lift that off, like that. Now, there we go. End cap. Keep that there. Free body. Now the two star ratchets. This is the bit that gets noisy. Because of the design of these, I've got millions of little star ratchets, and they rub against each other, and as soon as you turn, the spring holds them into lock. Let's see if we can show you that. Might be able to see that. Anyway, they're the bits that need a bit of grease. So put them aside. There's another spring in there. Well, there seems to be plenty of grease. The only thing I really need to do is just clean those bits. Clean these parts, add some more grease, because the noisy bit obviously is the star ratchet. So it's pretty clean in there, there's no sand and stuff, which is nice. The ratchets they get noisier and noisier, and when they do, it's time to give them a little grease. You can use DT grease, but I don't worry about that. Now on the other one, I'm going to put a grease. The old tin of grease I've had for like forever. Just get a bit on the end of your screwdriver. You don't need much, just a tiny bit. Tiny smear of grease. New end cap. Pop that back on there like that. So listen to that. Beautiful. Quiet. Quiet. Right. There we go. Not a bad lens, this one. Pretty good. We'll see how the wind went outside. I'll check this back and see how we go. See you later.